Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I really appreciate your support. So today on the menu is bread pudding. Here are the ingredients. You don't need fresh bread to make this. If you have a bread that is a day or two old, instead of throwing it away, you can just use it and make some bread pudding. After cutting the bread into pieces, you go ahead and transfer it into the baking pan. Next, we're going to crack the eggs. After cracking the eggs, we're going to add the evaporated milk. Then the condensed milk. Vanilla extract. Nutmeg. Then we're going to whisk it. If you've been wanting to bake but hate measuring anything, then you need to give this a try. What I like about bread pudding is not only is it easy to make, but most of the ingredients that you need are affordable, so you don't really need to break the bank to make bread pudding. Then add the raisins. And lastly, add the pineapples. Mix everything together. Now transfer your mixture into the pan containing the bread that we cut earlier. Now make sure each piece of bread is soaked with the custard. Now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. 45 minutes later and the bread pudding is ready. Please make sure you let it cool off before you start eating. As much as we want to eat bread pudding, we don't want to burn our tongue, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.